Hey guys, what's up? Today we have an unboxing from Lazada.
Like a Hellcat.
I bought this package from Skewb shop. I put the link down below. So let's unbox it. This is the Cyclone Boys magnetic Skewb. So many bubble wraps. Yeah. So yeah. This is it. Oops. This cube is a magnetic cube. So if you don't know, it's a magnetic. By the way guys, that cube shop is very good. Even if it is in the Lazada, it is very good. So this is the cube. So I can't read this because this is Chinese. So let's open it. It's very hard, yes. So yeah, this is the cube. Wow. First, so let's set this aside. First, I really love the shades. Very cool shades. So let's see the first turns. Wow. Very smooth. So let's scramble it. So let's give this a song. I'm not too good at Skewb, but I will practice this again. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. This is very cool Skewb though. A little bit of factory lube. It is very smooth, then very fast. Yeah, so very good Skewb for its price. So again, I will recommend that shop. Or yeah, it's very good Skewb. So see you again guys, hope you enjoy.